What's up, awesome people?
Can I see it?
Wait, it's hard to see. Can you see it? It's right behind that tree right there. Can you see it? You can? Hey, at least you got good vision. Looks like you have 20 vision. 20/20 vision.
Is it on that tree? Over that tree?
No, it's in the one in the neighbor. Wait, where are you pointing at? No, it's the one in the neighbor's yard.
I can't really see it.
You can't see it? Well,
You go get it?
no.
I'm telling.
Alright, rerun. Sorry about that, I'm kind of sick. Allie doesn't realize I got a fidget spinner in my pocket here. So I'm doing a prank on Allie. I got a fidget spinner right here. And I'm pretending that I threw it. And I'm telling her that I threw it in our neighbor's yard. And she actually believes, because like the whole day I've been teasing her, acting like I was throwing the fidget spinner off. I don't know where she is. That's good. So also, you might have realized I got better graphics. What are you doing? I want to video. Stop! I want to.
So where's that place fidget spinner at?
I threw it in the neighbor's yard.
Where?
In the neighbor's yard.
Did you actually? Go get it in. It's like you guys monitor that. She won't stop minding.
No. I threw it in there.
Wait, did you actually?
Yes. I threw Sorry about that. I threw it in the yard.
No, did you actually?
Yes.
Wait, in this yard?
No, in the neighbor's yard.
Where is it at?
Well, it's kind of in the back.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
Tell me no, or I'm gonna break the.
No.
Where's it?
You promise not to tell.
I'm not gonna tell her. I swear.
You promise?
Yeah.
It's in my pocket.
It's in your pocket?
Yeah.
Give it to me now.
No.
Or I'm gonna break your tablet.
Oh my God! Stop!
Or I'm gonna break your tablet.
Stop!
Come on, do it. Come on.
Okay.
Come on, give me it. Give me it. Hand it over. Right now. Right now.
God! Give me that tablet!
Oh, you're gonna get it now.
Oh my God!
Where? Dude, just give me it because she won't stop crying and I'm trying to watch a video.
It's fine. Just go on the computer and watch.
I'm not gonna hear that. Not for the rest of the day. Seriously, give me it.
I'll tell her in a little bit. Right now, I need to keep this prank. Oh my God!
Tell me.
I'm keeping this prank going.
Tell me.
No.
Okay, or I'm gonna break your tablet. Or no, I'm gonna delete your YouTube channel.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. Dude, just give me it.
No.
Yeah. See, look at that. I'm not gonna listen to that all day. Dude, give me it. Yeah.
It's in the yard.
It's in his pocket.
No, it's not.
It's in his pocket. Get it.
It's not. Remember?
Get it.
It's not my pocket.
Let me see.
Look, it's not
Get
here.
it.
It's not my pocket.
Dude, Grandpa, they're like going way out there, dude. They're like all the way down there.
What are they doing?
Owen has her fidget spinner, and like I was trying to give it.
Tell me he didn't have it. Why has he got it?
He's just messing with her. No, they're like all the way down there. Come on, you're almost here, make it. Come on, dude, hurry up. Hurry up. Come on.
Alright, okay.
Stop right there. Give it to her. Here, look, you want your tablet back too?
That's mine.
Oh wait, is this actually your tablet?
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Okay.
Yeah, it is. I took the case out of it.
Yeah, there you go.
It's actually mine.
You
I'm not joking. It's actually not your. I took the case out because it wouldn't record.
Let's go back inside. Don't cry anymore. Don't cry anymore. Come on.
It's mine though.
It's not. Okay, Allie, I'll show you the case.
What's going on?
I don't know.
He won't give me back my candle too.
No, look at Allie. Oh. No, seriously.
Candle's hard.
No, look.
Why did you just play from
Dude, you
that?
said that you've been waiting to put your fidget spinner all day.
Look. This is my case right here.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. This is my case. This is mine because look, this is my case. I took it out because it wouldn't record. Look.
Oh yeah, we're fighting it.
Look, it wouldn't record. See, it's a black screen. It wouldn't record.
No, that doesn't. It won't fit in the case. It won't fit there.
Yes, it will. Look.
Allie, that is enough.
Let's see if my tablet can survive a taking.
No, I want my Kindle.
Allie, I'm serious. This is mine.
Dude, Allie.
Do you have her Kindle?
No, I don't. I swear to God.
Wait a minute. I'll see if it is.
But do not
It's
push
starting
the
to
record
rain.
button. Do not
It's
push the
starting to
record
rain.
button.
Go home.
I know.
Go.
Well,
No, go home.
It's starting to rain.
yeah.
It's starting to rain.
Yeah.
It's
I
starting
haven't
to
even
rain.
said goodbye to them. Don't go home yet. No, wait.
Wait a minute. Where's your Kindle at?
Right there.
All right. I want you to figure out so she can tell that it's not hers and shut that screen door,
Give
please.
me it. Give me it.
Find your Kindle right now.
You go. You
Where's the
find.
last time you had your Kindle?
She didn't even bring her. You didn't.
no,
What?
no.
Don't. Don't.
It's gonna mess up the recording.
Wait a second.